Hi and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to talk about on how to add status on looking for on your Facebook dating profile. Maybe you want to add a specific status on what you are looking for on that Facebook dating but you don't know how. So in today's video, I am going to show you on how you can add status on your Facebook profile. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your Facebook application and log in with your Facebook account. Once you are in here, simply tap on this heart button to go to your Facebook dating. Once you are in your Facebook dating, simply tap on this profile and then you'll be directed into your dating profile. Here to simply In here, you need to simply scroll down and you will see in here add looking for. Tap on this drop down button and you will see in here what are you looking for. You can choose either chatting, friendship, something casual, long-term relationship, or prefer not to say. And take note that this will be visible on your dating profile. For example, you want to tap on this chatting. Simply tap on this checkbox button. And then you can also choose more than one. For this, to save it, simply tap on the Save button at the upper right corner of your screen. And there you go. If you wanted to know on how you can add looking for status on your Facebook dating profile, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way on how you can add looking for status on your Facebook dating profile, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.